Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and use the diving gear in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, now I'm wearing the diving gear and I'm going to show you guys how you can get and use this item in Fish It. Okay, first of all, you can go to the utility store right here and then you can buy the diving gear with 75k coins. And after you buy it, you can go to your inventory, okay, and go to the item section, tap on your diving gear to make it appear, and you will be easier to hold it and use it. Okay, after you click on the diving gear like this, you just need to tap on your avatar and your diving gear will be on. Okay, and then I'm going to use it on the lost aisle. So I'm gonna go there guys. Wait. Okay, I have already arrived here guys. You can also buy the diving gear right here. And I'm going to dive to the lost aisle. So you just need to go down and you can keep diving right here. And now I'm on the lost aisle. Okay, just like this. And then I'm going to show you guys how you can take off your diving gear. Wait, let me go up. Okay. And I'm going to take it off. If you want to take it off, you can click on the diving gear and tap on your avatar. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get and use the diving gear in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.